Ready? Great doctor. No patience.
Hi.
Oh, let's just wait for some patience and wait until we had it.
These things. Man, these things are bomb. 12 of them in a pack?
Whoa, Julian.
We'll try to put them in there.
Bubbles.
No, they're going in there. What do you have? What's the problem? We have chicken pops. Chicken pops, oh dear. Dr. Reed, they have chicken pops. Yes, we'll put the baby toys over here. Get in bed, guys. You're gonna be sleeping in this baby bed. Baby bed. We don't feel good. Chicken pops is a very sick thing. You're very, very sick. Doctor, how do the kids have this? They're just kids. Kids can't have chicken pops. That's a very bad, sick thing. They're just kids. Alright, let's see if the guy has more. Let's just do it again. What do you have now? Oh, owie, owie, owie. What's wrong? What's wrong? My throat hurts. Your throat hurts? Are you just a kid? Yes, my throat hurts. Bad. Alright, lay down in the bed. Owie. Ow. Who's next? Ow, 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 that hurt bad. What's wrong? I hurt my legs when I fell down the stairs. I fell down the stairs? Yeah, and I hurt my leg. Alright, lay down, lay down. Ow. We have a very special thing to make it feel better. Ah, that's feeling good. And lay down. What is this thing anyway? It's a thingy that helps you make your leg feel better when you fell down the stairs and hurt it. Oh, it makes it feel better. So good. Guys, maybe some medicines will help, even though we have 2 medicines that look the same. Have a sip of medicine, you two. That's good. But I don't know what to do with the sore throat. I hope there's more patients. What's the problem? Oh, I have the flu. Achoo! Achoo! Okay, lay down with the panda. Yeah, I saved you a seat. down. Achoo! 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 What's the problem? We have, yes, a fever. Fever and a cold. Fever and a cold. Yeah, that kind of go together. Do you know something that will make us feel better? I don't know that will make you feel better. Panda, you have to sit down with her. You little seahorse, sit down. See, I want to run with the panda. Ow, ow, ow. Owie, that hurts bad. Ow, wow, wow. You said I could lay down. You are going to lay down. Ugh. Ow. Owie, 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 owie. Ow, 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 ow. I can't move an inch. Not a single inch. No. Bunny, sit down on the bed. Is that everybody? There's only one more patient. One more patient? Yep, only one more patient. We want our duckies. Mommy, Mommy. Yes, we want our duckies. 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 Here's your guys' duckies. Put the duckies over here. I want my alarm clock. Here's the alarm clock. And where's my mommy? Mommy. I don't think she's here yet. Aw. Yeah, and I want... And I want my movie and my book. Put the stuff over here. You got everything. No, except for my perfume and stuff. Yeah. Except for my... What about my stuff? I have makeup. Makeup. And I have some dishwashing and shampoo. I have a bottle of teddy bear from Mary. And I have a dollhouse. Ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum. And I have a... And... excuse me. I need to do that with the little thingy. I don't know, but I have a cold like. You have a cold like me. I have a cold like you. Yes. Oh, I just want to go back. Here's my radio. Beep. Okay, lay down. We got your bed. Oh, yay, my bed! Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. Ding dong, ding dong. That must be our parents to check on us. I'll get the door. You're too sick, you little catty. Hey, my name is Caddy. My name is Pinky. Alright. I'm writing. Mommy! Sissy! Mommy! We have come to check on them. Please take a seat. Alright, now that the parents are in their seat. Ding dong! Ding dong! That must be our parents! It is our parents! Hop, hop. Sit right there. Oh, hi bunnies. How's the fever going? It's just great, to sit on the bed. Where's my mom? I guess she's not coming. Your legs. Oh. You're glad because some new bandages came in. Pew, ow, pew, ow. No more kisses and hugs for a week. Aww. Now you're cured. Get out of here. Wait. Still home. Owie, owie. Ow. I have an itchy foot-itis. Oh dear, itchy foot-itis. Get on the scaler. Okay, let's see what's wrong. It says you have a broken ankle. Oh. It says you ate some fish today. And that's your little fishy inside there. See the fishy skeleton you ate? Oh, I see it. It's so tiny. And it says you have an itchy foot-itis. And you have a sweetheart. Ow, the sweetheart makes me want to explode. Kill myself. And you have punchy-itis. Punchy-itis. That's a whole bad thing. You need some medicine. And drink it. What? Drink it. Now. Oh. That's sweet. What is that? It's whole natural honey thing. Now, get out of here. Okay. Honey! Honey, are you alright? Yeah, Mama. I have to bring you home. Already? Yeah. Oh, bye. Get in. Yeah, we're going in here. Yay! That feels much better now. Bye. Bye-bye.